This is why your truck might crank but just won't fire up. Before you call for help, check these common problem spots. Let's get you back on the road. First, check your fuel delivery. Is your fuel filter clogged? Or do you have air in the fuel lines? Maybe your fuel pump's gone bad. Even a simple blockage can stop your truck from starting. Next, take a look at your electrical system. Weak batteries or dirty terminals might let your engine crank but not actually fire up. Make sure your starter connections are tight too. If you've got electronic controls, sensors matter. A faulty crankshaft position sensor or a problem with your engine control module can keep your truck from firing, no matter how hard it cranks. If you've checked these and you're still stuck, don't stress. You now know the most common causes, and you'll know if it's a quick fix or time to call for backup.